I'm trying to mount my camera on the car. I just bought this brand new mount thing, but there's only one issue. It won't stay up. Looks like I need one of these. I think that's the size I want. It works, kind of. Now I can put you guys right here. My most memorable cakes were always the tres leches. Tres leches was always my top cake, and mainly because of the frosting, whipped cream frosting. That really fatty whipped cream with powdered sugar. Here's something that's controversial, maybe not so controversial, vlog, but my ma, she bakes cakes, she sells cakes, and she still swears by the boxed cake stuff. And I used to love this when I was a kid, funfetti. I see King Arthur makes a funfetti though. It's like a grown-up version, that looks cool. I think it's gonna be boxed cake tonight. Now, today's not actually my birthday, but when you are watching this video, it is my birthday. Actually, tomorrow is my birthday, which is today because you're watching the video right now, which was yesterday for me, which is currently now for me. Today is not my birthday. What did that say? I turned 31 today. This is nowhere near as good or nice as the cakes my ma would make me. Good tres leches box cake. I don't know what 31 is supposed to represent. It's not quite as exciting as turning 30, and you're not quite turning 40 yet. How's it going, Ma?
Happy birthday!
Thank you. Look, I made a cake.